key of B has how many flats? That's a trick question.
It has 5 sharps.
It has 5 sharps, that's right. B is a sharps key. Let me start down here. Is that B? We are in bass clef. We are. Here's B down here. C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, and B. I don't care if it looks like that. If you start at that end, you probably won't make it exactly up there. But as I've been telling you all along, I don't care. Anyway, there's your B scale. 5 sharps. Pen full of sharps. Remember that? D flat scale. Who can tell me how many flats D flat has? 5, that's right. D is the 4th one. In order to follow our rule, it has to be the next to the last flat. So here's our last flat, G. All right, D flat. Whoops, no, C flat, sorry. C, B flat, A flat, G flat, F, E flat, and D flat. Looks like there's really 6 because there's 2 D flats in the scale. All right, and finally, the A major scale down. Flats or sharps?
Sharps.
Sharps. A, leading tone is G sharp. That's the 3rd sharp, so it will be 3 sharps including those first 3. G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, A. Alright, we have all that. Alright, this next section is worth 15 points. There are 15 questions. The dominant, as a gentle reminder,
Are we going to need to know the order for the test?
you might, because somebody might come in here and erase it. Tonic is 1, supertonic is 2, median is 3, subdominant is 4, dominant is 5, submedian is 6, leading tone is 7. Okay? The dominant, or 5, of the B-flat scale is what? F. This is just like counting intervals too, by the way. It's just as easy as counting intervals. If you start with the B-flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B flat, C, D, E, F. All right, the submedian, or the 6th of D major is B. Are you all there? This is easy, right? I shouldn't be concerned. The supertonic, or the 2nd of G flat major scale is A flat. And the median, or 3rd of the A flat major scale is C. The supertonic of the G major scale, or the 2nd step, is A. Thank you, Chris. Let's see. The submedian of the E major scale is? What's that? Thank you, Chris.
D sharp?
Too far. E, F sharp, G sharp, A, B, C sharp. That's 6. Okay. And I was going up the scale with the sharps in the E scale, but what you just simply need to remember is if there's a D sharp, which is the leading tone of E, there's going to be a C sharp, right? Because we can't have a D sharp without the other 3. The supertonic of the, I have already done that. The leading tone of the F major scale is E. The dominant of the E major scale, B is correct, if that's what you said. The subdominant of the C sharp major scale is F sharp. Thank you. The median of the D flat major scale is what? You are all going to answer these on the test, right? Or are you just going to have Chris run around and answer them all for you?
Chris.
F? Okay. D is the subdominant of the what major scale? What is D the fourth of? A. You guys are making me nervous. E is the dominant or the fifth of what? A. You all there? Is anybody over here? You all falling asleep?
Hey, I have to stay awake. I'm
F
awake.
sharp is the submedian or the sixth of what? What is the F sharp is the sixth of what scale? Yes. Do you notice that there are 3 A's in a row here? When you glance at your paper tomorrow, make sure you look down to the bottom. The next to the last, or the last 4, 3 of the 4 are A's. And B flat is the subdominant of what? F. You guys are scaring me to death. All right. Now, the next portion of the test is whether or not you can write a pattern. I just erased the names of all of the... Maybe I'll have occasion to write it again. All right. In the treble clef, please watch very carefully. Please watch this very carefully. It's also in your book if you want to go back and review it. We start the treble clef with a sharp up here, and then it goes down a fourth, up a fifth, down a fourth, and the only reason it doesn't go up a fifth like the pattern starts is that we would have to put a ledger line with a sharp sign on it, which would look kind of funny. So at this point, the pattern has to be broken because we can't put the A up there, so we have another one that goes down, and then it goes up, and then it goes down. All right, so it starts on F sharp, down to C sharp, up to G sharp, down to D sharp, down again to A sharp, E sharp, and B sharp. In the bass clef, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, D sharp. And then just to match the treble clef, it could have put that A sharp up here, but it doesn't. It matches the treble clef, drops it down to the bottom space, then the E sharp and the B sharp. Okay, it's a weird pattern, but it's the same in both treble clef and bass clef. Starts on an all of them start on the F sharp, of course. Goes down to the C sharp, up to the G, down to the D, down again, breaking the pattern to the A, up for E, down for B. Now, so the A major in treble clef would look like this. Okay? Because you have to use this pattern for every one of these. So A sharp is those 3. The D flat major in bass clef. Oh, I need to show you the bass clefs, don't I? Bass clef starts on, I'm sorry, not bass clef, I mean to start on flats. B flat, E flat, A flat, D flat, G flat, C flat, and F flat. Okay? It does go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, all, and stays in the pattern. Same way with the treble clef. Those both keep similar patterns all the way through. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, until we get to the F flat. All right, so